Special greeting to everyone. This is your boy Ntando Yamahlubi, alongside my boy Soft Keys on the keys. And today we just want to give you a special performance, an acoustic performance of this latest single of ours, myself and TJ, entitled Njalo, featuring Umsongi, of course, and Ispelete. And just before I start, I want to share some sentiments behind, the songwriting of this specific song. So this was written for someone very close to my heart, of course. I hope you're watching wherever you are. And I just want to share my love, the feeling of being loved, and the appreciation of loving someone. Now, if you are having someone that is special there, that you feel the same way about, I'm dedicating the song to you today. Let's go.
Ntando Yamahlubi, Tata kongo kwami, ngiznikela kuwe lavi, ngiznikela kuwe dali. Inhliziyo yami ishaya uzamthilili kuwe my love. Inhliziyo yami ishaya uzamthilili kuwe my love. Hlala njalo, khohlwa ngabantu. Hlala njalo, khohlwe ngabantu. Abayithandi into enhle, abayithandi into enhle. Bheka mina ngedwa lavo, hlala nami njalo. Abayithandi into enhle abantu, abayithandi into enhle. Bheka mina ngedwa lavo, hlala nami njalo. Sengibabona abaningi, sengimtholile wami. Inhliziyo yami yanele, sebengasuka abanye. Sengibabona abaningi, sengimtholile wami. Sengibabona abaningi, sengimtholile wami. Inhliziyo yami yanele, sebengasuka abanye. Sengibabona abaningi, sengimtholile wami. Yeah. Ngoba mihla namalanga inhliziyo ikhala ngaye, yaphela incwadi encane njalo ngibhala ngaye. Njalo, njalo khandi plani bo, ngizimisele ngaye lo, makangekho kuthi ngikhale bo. Njalo, njalo khandi plani bo, ngizimisele ngaye lo, makangekho kuthi ngikhale bo. Noma ngakhala, ngikhalela ukuthi mina ngiyamthanda, ngiyamthanda, mina ngiyamthanda. Noma ngakhala, khala, ngiyamthanda, thanda. Lona ngowami, ngowami. Njalo, njalo khandi plani bo.
Thank you.